Hey guys, it's Renee. So today I'm going to be filming a skincare routine. So I'm going to be doing my morning routine for skincare and my night routine. So yeah, it's literally like, it's 7:15 in the morning. I've got my breakfast with me. For my night skincare, I do a lot of things before that. So if you want to see what I do before that, go check out my night routine video. It will be on the screen and I'll have the link down below, so go check that out. Anyways, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I have the mirror here. Let's just get started. So if you saw my night routine, which was 2 videos ago, you would have seen my skincare box. So in the morning, what I would usually do is first I grab 2 cotton buds, well, not cotton buds, cotton pads. These aren't really, I know these aren't really good for the environment, but we don't like have any reusable things, so I just use these. Anyway, I grab this Biore cleanser, and it's just like a really simple cleanser because like I don't like doing all that stuff in the morning, so I just apply this all over my face. So I finish with that. Sometimes I need 2, sometimes I need 1, depending on how dirty my face feels. I don't know. But yeah. Next I go in with tea tree oil because I've had a few blemishes here and this helps it, so I'm going to use the other cotton pad to put this on. So I just put a few drops on and then put it where my blemishes are. So yeah, after I've done that, I'm going to go in with this Clinique Moisture Surge, and you would have seen this in my birthday haul. So I just apply it a little bit because a little goes a long way. At Macca's. Once I've applied my moisturizer, I just go ahead and get this Clinique Moisture Surge face spray, and you would have also seen this in my birthday haul because it came in a little pack. So I just spray this like that. I have this mask here, so I'm just gonna dry my face with it. It's the 60 ml. If you stay tuned to tonight, I'll be using this bad boy. So yeah. Once I put the face spray on, I just pat it down a little bit. And then last but not least, I'll grab some Carmex lip balm. Don't mind the washi tape on it, I only put that on there because like after doing moisturising and stuff, it's hard to open personally. But yeah, I put my lip balm on and just like that, we're done. So if you guys like are thinking about doing skincare, it's really not that hard. Like, to get yourself in a schedule, and it just feels so nice after doing skincare. So you don't even have to do that much. Like you can just chuck on moisturizer or something like that. Sometimes I just do that when I don't feel like putting a bunch of products on my face. But yeah, I thought that I would just show you like more today because I'm filming. It wouldn't be as interesting if I just chucked on a moisturizer. So yeah, now I'll update you guys when it's nighttime and I'm doing skincare. I'm just gonna let you know that it is 7:15 in the morning, so you know a girl is gonna be tired. I usually wake up at like 20 past 8 for school, so just yeah. Okay, so it's nighttime and I'm gonna try and speak really quietly because my sister's trying to sleep. But yeah, it's nighttime. I'm about to clean my teeth and then I'm gonna do my nighttime skincare routine. I'll get back to you when I've cleaned my teeth. Okay, so I just cleaned my teeth. Now I'm gonna do my skincare. Also, don't mind my jumper. I used to do gymnastics a long time ago and like I was really young, so I decided to print Forever R on a jumper, but I always wear this jumper to bed because it's like really comfortable, so don't judge me. I'm gonna do my skincare now. So first I start with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleanser. I'm gonna put all of the products, or most of the products that I can, in the description box below. I know I'm so fancy with this YouTube thing. I also use it with my spin brush. So I just wet it a bit, do that a bit, you know, just shake it out. Then I just squirt 2 pumps on that bad boy. And I just spin it around. And I just wash it off. But first, I need to tie up my hair so my hair doesn't get wet even when it's already wet. Okay. So I'm just gonna wash it off. Also, don't mind my eyebrows. Okay, now I'm just gonna dry my face. Okay, then I wash my spin brush. Now, as of tonight, I'm gonna put this mask on. It's 16 brand, I'll link it below. I put this on like once a week. So, let's go. Okay, please don't judge how amazing this looks. I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 minutes and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes or so, so let's just take it off and do the rest of the skincare. Okay, now that we're done like fully cleansing my face, we're gonna go in with this cleanser that we use in the morning, just like to get off excess like face mask. So we're just gonna do a bit of cleanser. So yeah, after that I'm gonna use this night cream from Glow Lab. This is really good to put before you go to bed. It just makes you feel really soothed. As you can see, I've used like quite a lot of it, so it's only a small tub, but like you don't really need that much. Like this isn't that much, so just chuck a bit on, and it smells like really good. Some people don't like having like fragrances, but what we do. So yeah, I used the Ordinary cleanser. I got this for my birthday. You would have seen it in my birthday haul. So yeah. So this cleanser makes my skin feel really smooth, and it's like such a good cleanser. I don't know how much it is, but I'll try and put the link in the down bar. But yeah, I'm just gonna put the Clinique moisturizer. You can put any moisturizer, but this is just the one I have. But yeah, I use this in the morning as well. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a bit of a spritz with this Clinique face spray from the start of the video, or the morning routine. Then I'm gonna put some more lip balm on that I used in the morning, if I can get this open. Okay, now that I've finally done my skincare routine, I know this video was like on the longer side. I'm gonna try and edit it down because it's probably kind of boring. I don't know, it might not be boring for you, but I don't know. I hope you like my video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to subscribe down below, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a video. Also, if you see this part of the video, I want you to comment skincare for life. That's just the first thing that came into my mind. But yeah, I'll see you next Monday. Bye. Pause. Oh yeah, I need to do my ending. Toodles. Oh, I'm so cringy.